Go America? The US has been named #1 among the world's fattest countries. Forza Supplements in the UK studied men from 10 different nations, and turns out American males tip the scales at an average of 196 pounds. That's 7 pounds heavier than the next biggest fellas, Australians, at 189 pounds. The UK rounds out, literally, the top 3. This, as you can imagine, means American men also don't live as long as our global brethren. The average life expectancy for a US male sits at 76.9 years, worst in the whole study, way behind the Japanese, Australians, and Italians. We're guessing it's because they take the healthy parts of the Mediterranean diet, and we just eat the pizza. The thinnest men in the study came from Japan, clocking in at 149 pounds. That's almost 50 pounds lighter than Americans. Spain and those long-living Italians came next. This is nothing new for Americans, though. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development has found that more than a third, 38.2% of all people living in the US are classified as obese. That's compared to only 10% obesity rates for those healthy Italians we keep talking about. I think we're passing on that extra slice for lunch.